Hello students, welcome again. Now I have taken the question number 6 for exercise 13.1, that is a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Yes, find its surface area. So this is the solid. Again, it is a combination of two, even we can say three solids here, but of the two of the same shape, that is two solids, that is of the hemisphere. These are two hemisphere. Of course, figure is not so good here. And this is the portion that is of the cylinder shape. So a cylinder is included and the end points are by the hemisphere. Yes, so we need to find out the surface area of this complete solid. Yes, let's talk few points before solving this. See, this is a hemisphere, this end point, and here it is also a hemisphere, and this is the complete length of the solid is given to us, that is 14 mm. Yes, and this is the diameter of the solid, that is cylinder, that is given of the 5 mm. Yes, so this is of the 5 mm. Yes, the diameter here D is equal to 5 mm. Yes, and the complete length is of the 14 mm. So if we talk about the hemisphere, suppose this is the hemisphere. See, you can see your cricket ball. This is of the sphere shape, and if we cut in between the parallel line, that will be the hemisphere. And if we see, I'm just making a diagram for you for the hemisphere. This is of the hemisphere shape. Yes, and this is the radius, this is a small r. So always the radius is also equal to the height, that will be also the radius equal to the height will be also equal to the radius of the hemisphere. So this you should keep in your mind for the hemisphere as well as for the not for the sphere, that is for the hemisphere only. Yes, so this is, see, it is a, so this will become 2.5 mm. Yes, this one only, the radius, and this will also become 2.5 mm, this complete length. Yes, so this is the 2.5 mm, and same for here. Yes, so this is also of 2.5 mm, this complete one. Yes, this one, the radius of the hemisphere, and this one. So we can find now, this is from here, this is of the cylinder portion. So we can find the height of the cylinder by how? 14 minus height is equal to 14 minus 2.5 minus 2.5, that is equal to 14 minus again 5, that is equal to 9 mm. Yes, so we have got the height of the cylinder. Yes, now since it is made up of the two combination of the hemisphere and the cylinder, let's make this equation for this, how we can find out the total surface area of this solid, we can say. Yes, so the surface area of given solid will equal to, see, curved surface area, because see, it is not included, this portion above and the lower one is not included, only the curved one is this one, curved one is included. So curved surface area of cylinder, yes, plus two hemisphere are there, and again we can see the bases are not included, the circular portion is not included, only the curved surface area of the hemisphere. So plus twice I am taking twice of curved surface area of hemisphere. Yes, so let's write the formula for this. That will be equal to curved surface area of the cylinder, that is 2 pi RH, yes, plus twice into curved surface area of the hemisphere, that is equal to 2 pi r square. Yes, so this is the complete equation from where we can get the surface area of this solid. Yes, now we simply need to put the values here. That is equal to, first of all, what we can see here, the 2 pi and the 2 pi is common, and see, this is also very important, the radius for the cylinder, yes, and for the hemisphere is same. Yes, we can see from the figure. Yes, so r is also a common here, so we can take 2 pi r common, and we have in the bracket, that is h plus 2, and 1 r is left, that is equal to, now just put the values, 2 into 22 upon 7. I already told you that we have to use 22 upon 7 unless and until it is not given. So what is the radius here? Here we have find out d is equal to 5 mm, so r is equal to 5 upon 2, that is equal to 2.5 mm. Yes, so 2.5, and in bracket h is, that is 9 plus 2 into 2.5. Yes, so let's find out the values. Let's calculate. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.5, and in bracket see 9 plus 2 into 2.5, that is equal to 9 plus 5. Yes, so it is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.5 into 14. Yes, 14, and here we can say 7 1 is 7 and 7 2s are 14. Yes, so now we have to multiply 22 2s are 44, 44 2s are 88, 88 into 2.5, that is equal to 88 into 2.5, that is equal to 220 mm square. Yes, so this is the complete surface area in mm square unit for the given solid. I hope I am clear. Here this is the cylinder shape, and points are of the hemisphere shape. So we have to find out the surface area of the solid. Since the diameter is given 5 mm, so radius will equal to 2.5, and we can see the radius is always equal to the height of the hemisphere also. So this length is also of 2.5, and this one is also. So we can find by subtracting 14 minus 2.5 minus 2.5 is equal to 9 mm for the height for the cylinder. And this is the how we can find out the surface area, by the curved surface area of the cylinder plus twice, because two hemisphere are there, curved surface area of the hemisphere. We simply put the values that are we have already find out for the h and for the r, and here the r of the cylinder as well as for the hemisphere after seeing the figure is very clear after putting the values, and we have find out the surface area for the given solid. Okay, thank you students.